everybody, it's Miss MyRiah. Thank you so much for joining us today. So we normally start our circle times with a good morning song. It's in English and Spanish, so we'll sing the English one. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Our day is beginning, there's so much to do. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. And now in Spanish. Buenos días, buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias, muy bien, gracias. Adiós, adiós. Yay! All right, and next we start with our calendar. We always start with our calendar so we can go over our days of the week and the months of the year. We'll start with our days, and we always start with Sunday. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now, whatever day it is, parents, we have our children tell us what day is today. For example, today is Sunday, so that is our day. And we also talk about what was yesterday. If today is Sunday, what was yesterday? And you can give the children a moment to think about it. And yesterday was Saturday. And then, if yesterday was Saturday, today is Sunday, what is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Monday. So we go over our days and we give the children a chance to, let you know what it is. If they're wrong, that's okay. You can tell them what day it is and eventually they'll kind of get it. And then we'll go over our months over here. So our months start with January. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December, months of the year. Right now we are in the month of March. So parents at home, have your children say it back to you. This month is the month of March. And then in March, something just happened in the month of March. Our season changed. So in class, we were going over the season of winter, but the season has now changed in the month of March, and we are now in spring. Does anyone know what happens in the month of spring? Well, in the month of spring, our plants and our flowers start to blossom. It's not very cold anymore like it was in the winter time. In the springtime, the weather starts to get warmer and our animals and bugs and insects start to come out as well. So that's something fun that happens in the spring, but we have to say goodbye, winter, and hello, spring. Now, we also talk about our weather and what it's like outside. So normally I have the children go over to the window or take a look outside to tell me what is the weather like outside. Is it cold? Did you come to school with your jackets on? Or is it sunny and hot outside? Did you come to school without a jacket on? Is it cloudy outside? Can you see any clouds at all? Is there water coming out of the sky? If so, that means it's raining. Or if you see snowflakes, that means it's snowing outside. That rarely happens in California, but maybe you've been somewhere where it snows, like a cabin or up in the mountains. So take a look outside and kind of figure out what is the weather like. And parents, you can discuss with your children what the weather is like outside and explain to them. It's a little bit windy or it's sunny, cold. And then we also talk about the temperature too. Is it hot outside, warm, mild, cold, or freezing? And what do we wear when it is any of these temperatures outside? The next thing we go over our feelings. So how are we feeling today? Are we feeling happy Excited, sad, angry, okay, or are we feeling silly today? A lot of the times the children choose silly, which is how they usually are feeling all day long, and that's okay. But we talk about our feelings and that it's okay to feel any of these feelings throughout the day. You just sit down and you can explain to somebody if you are feeling a certain way, especially if you're angry or sad. You can always talk to your parents or your teachers about how you're feeling for the day. But that's it for our calendar. Another good thing to talk about is the year. We are in the year 2020. So children, always repeat year 2020. All right, now it's time for our shapes. Parents have the children repeat the shape to you at home. So our first shape is a circle. Circle, circle, round and round. Our next shape is a triangle. Triangle, triangle. 1, 2, 3. Our next shape is an oval. Oval, oval, stretched out circle. Next is our rectangle. 2 sides short and 2 sides long. Next is our square. 4 straight and equal sides. Now we have our diamond. You can call this a diamond or a rhombus. This one's a little bit harder for the children to say. This one is called a parallelogram. Next is our hexagon. Hexagon, hexagon. 6, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is called our trapezoid. A lot of our students know this one. This one is a star. And one of their favorites is heart. Our last one is pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all for our shapes. Now we go over our colors. Parents at home, have your children find something in the house that is the color that we are naming. Also have the children repeat the color verbally. Our first color is yellow. On the back of my card, I have a yellow duck. Can you guys find anything at home that is yellow? Next is pink. On the back of my card, I have a pink pig. This color is white. And on the back of my card, I have a white mouse. This one is blue. Blue jeans or blue pants. Purple. Purple flowers. Black. Black kitty cat. Orange. Orange carrot. Green. Green frog. Red. Red apple. And brown. Brown bear. We also go over our colors in Spanish. So for the color yellow, you can repeat this at home. Yellow is amarillo. Brown is café. Red is rojo. Green is verde. Orange is a really hard one to say, but it's anaranjado. Black is negro. Purple is morado. Blue is azul. White is blanco. And pink is rosa. That's all. All right, now let's go over our numbers. My friends, do you know what number this is? Can you say the number 1 and show me one finger? One finger. All right. What number is this? Do you know? This is the number 2. Show me 2 fingers. Good job. Does anyone know what is this number? Is this the number 3? Show me 3 fingers. Okay. And this one, what number is this? This one is number 4. Good job. Number 4. Show me 4 fingers. Wow, that's a lot of fingers. And what about this number? 5. Yes, 5 fingers. Show me your whole hand. Number 5. Good job, everybody. All right, now we're going to clap and count all the way to 10. Do you think you can do that with me? It's a little bit difficult. I know we normally work on numbers 1 through 5, but I think we can count all the way to 10. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, good job, everybody. So good. All right, that's it for our numbers. All right, parents, another trick with teaching your kids their numbers and with counting is if they're being a little, hyper or not wanting to sit down, during my circle time, I'll have them jump and count with me instead of clapping. So we'll all stand up together and we will jump and count all the way to 10. And if they accomplish getting to 10, we'll work on numbers 10 through 20. All right, now it's time for our alphabet song. Are we ready? What does the A say? A and A. What does the B say? B, B, B. What does the C say? K, K, K. What does the D say? Da, da, da. What does the E say? E and E. What does the F say? F, F, F. What does the G say? Ga, ga, ga. What does the H say? Ha, ha, ha. What does the I say? I and I. What does the J say? Ja, ja, ja. What does the K say? K, k, k. What does the L say? Oh. What does the M say? Mm. What does the N say? Mm. What does the O say? O and ah. What does the P say? Pa, pa, pa. What does the Q say? Qua, qua, qua. What does the R say? Ra, ra, ra. What does the S say? S, s, s. What does the T say? T, t, t. What does the U say? U and ah. What does the V say? V. What does the W say? Wah, wah, wah. What does the X say? X, x, x. What does the Y say? Ya, ya, ya. What does the Z say? Z. What do we call these forms and sounds? English alphabet letters. Yay! Okay, next is name recognition. At this age, we want the children to recognize their name by looking at it. So if you can at home, if you don't have any dotted paper, you can just go ahead and draw the lines, and there's a dot right in the middle, and write your child's name down. You start with their first name in proper case and just point to underneath as you read it to them. This one is Harley, so Harley, Harley. And then as the students start to recognize their first name, you'll want to start with their last name. All right, that's it for the day. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you guys learned something new today.